So by default, when you press the camera control button, it launches the camera. But if you don't want to launch the camera with that, you can actually change it to something else. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change that into a magnifier button. So every time you press it, it launches the magnifier on your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro. To do that, go to Settings. Under Settings, scroll down to Camera. And then under Camera, tap on Camera Control. And then you should see by default it's set to camera. You can actually set that to magnifier. Now, when you set it to that, now every time you press that button, it launches the magnifier. So you can use it to magnify things just like that. Okay. So that is basically how to turn the camera control button into a magnifier button on your iPhone 16. Thank you for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.